Okay, here we go, some hints for homework sheet 9. Question 1, a fraction question. First thing we need to do here is we deal with the whole numbers. So 6 take away 3 is 3. Then we need to deal with the fractional part. Looking at the bottom number here 5 and the bottom number here 3 tells me that your new bottom number is going to have to be 15. You can work out the new top numbers and do a takeaway sum. Question 2, increase £48 by 55%. Now the easy way to do 55% is to do 50%, and we know how to do that, and then do 5%, which just means to get from 50 to 5, divide by 10. Once you've got those two answers, add them up, and because you have to increase it, remember and answer the question, what's asked, to get your final answer. Question 3, the square root plant is increasing by 30% each day. So that's 100 plus 30, 130%. As a decimal, 1.3. Now you're asked how tall it was the day before. So we're going backwards in time, so it's a reverse percentage. Reverse percentage. So we take the new height that it's at, which is 58.5, and the easy way to do it is to divide by 1.3. Question 4, removing the brackets. Well, 3 lots of x, 3 lots of 2, 4 lots of x, take away 4 lots of y. Okay, the only thing we really need to be careful with here are the signs. Make sure you get the signs correct. Then if it helps, let's block the x's together. So we've got 3x, add 4x, and then let's block the y's together, 6y, and then take away 4y. Okay, so do your 3x, add your 4x, then do your 6y, take away 4y, and then put that all together for your final answer. When you're removing the brackets, remember we've got loads of different ways of doing this. Do x times x, x times 2, 4 times x, 4 times negative 2. If you don't want to do that method, we could do our little strips. So we've got 4x and 4. Along the top we've got a strip, and we've got negative 2. Okay, inside, strip times a strip is a big square. Strip times a negative, excuse me, strip times a negative. Remember the negative means just change that, and the positive strip gets changed again. Now we're multiplying by 1, 1 times a strip, 1 times negative 1, change it, and so on for this one, and this one, add it all together, boom. In the school you've got 480 pupils, 2/3 have got blue eyes, so we need to work out 2/3 of 480, work out that. Then it says the remainder, so we need to do your 480, take away your answer, and that tells you how many is left. Now out the ones that's left, 60% have got brown eyes. So we need to work out 60% of this new number. That's the number that's got brown eyes. Then if you work all them out, then you should be able to find out how many have got the green eyes. Question 6, loses 12%. So 100 take away 12, 88%. Turn that into your decimal. And then you've got that number, the multiplier, to the power 6 times the starting value. Just do all that in your calculator, round it off, and you get your answer. Question 7. We know the volume of a box is length times breadth times height. We know this box holds 1 litre, tells us that in the question. 1 litre is the same as 1000 cubic centimetres. We're also told in the question that the box is a square, top and bottom, 8 by 8. So putting those numbers into the formula, oops, my pen's not working. That's 1000 equals 8 times 8 times the height. Or 1000 equals 64 times the height. So all we need to work out now is what's this number height that you multiply the 64 by to get 1000. And you should know how to do that. Number 8, we've got our 2 pizzas. Now I've asked you in the question to consider the area. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So work out the area of the first pizza. Pi r squared for the second pizza. Now we know from the question that the first pizza costs £6.50. Oops, £6.50. And we know the second one costs £10. Okay? If you divide the cost by the area, then you'll get how much each centimetre squared is worth. And then you'll be able to tell me which one's the best value. Lastly, number 9. The integers, we've got -4. We have to add another 2 negatives. Then we have to take away 3 negatives. Then we have to add 5 positives. And then we have to take away 3 positives. Okay, grouping together what we've got, you'll be left with a solitary for your answer. For part B, we need to do the times part first of all, so work out what this part is, and then add on 6, and then take away 2 negatives, and so on. You can do that. And then the last part of the question, we do this part first of all. So we've got +3, and then we're going to take away whatever this answer is, and then we've got +4. Right, have a look at everything you've got. You should be able to get your answer. And that's us, guys.